Have you ever wondered about the mysteries of the Bermuda Triangle, where countless ships and aircraft have vanished without a trace? An enigma of the modern world, the Bermuda Triangle is a loosely defined region in the western part of the North Atlantic Ocean. This mystery-laden area, stretching between the southern tip of Florida, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, has become synonymous with inexplicable disappearances. Over the centuries, an estimated several hundred incidents have taken place here, involving both sea vessels and aircraft. These incidents have sparked various theories, each more intriguing and spine-chilling than the last. Some propose the triangle is a hotspot for extraterrestrial activity, suggesting alien abductions as the cause of these mysterious vanishings. Others speculate about the presence of time warps, sucking unsuspecting travelers into different dimensions. Whether these theories hold any truth or are just products of wild imaginations, one thing's for certain: the Bermuda Triangle continues to be an enigma that captures our curiosity. Now let's delve into the timeline of these mysterious disappearances. The enigma of the Bermuda Triangle began as early as the 15th century. Even the intrepid explorer Christopher Columbus wasn't spared the triangle's peculiarities. He recorded in his logs of strange compass readings as he sailed through the area. His compass, which should have pointed north, spun wildly instead, suggesting magnetic anomalies that persist to this day. Fast forward to the 19th century, the triangle's mystique only deepened. The most notable of these early disappearances was that of the USS Cyclops in the early 20th century. This colossal vessel with over 300 souls on board vanished without a trace on a routine voyage in 1918. Despite extensive search efforts, no wreckage or debris was ever found, making it one of the most significant maritime losses in American history. But these are just a few examples. There were other ships and aircraft that went missing in the same region, all under unexplainable circumstances. They sailed into the triangle under clear skies and calm seas, only to disappear without a trace. No distress signals, no debris, nothing. It was as if they had been swallowed by the sea or the sky itself. These early incidents only marked the beginning of the triangle's perplexing history. As we moved into the modern era, the disappearances didn't stop. Instead, they seemed to become even more frequent and even more inexplicable, but that's a tale for another time. Perhaps the most infamous incident associated with the Bermuda Triangle is the disappearance of Flight 19. On a rather ordinary day in December of 1945, 5 U.S. Navy bombers, collectively known as Flight 19, set off on a routine training mission. The squadron was led by Lieutenant Charles Taylor, an experienced pilot and war veteran. The weather that day was clear, with a slight breeze that barely rustled the palm fronds, nothing that could possibly hint at the chilling events that were to unfold. But as the squadron ventured further into the triangle, the weather abruptly changed. The sky darkened, and the sea turned from a serene blue to an ominous swirling gray. The last communications from Flight 19 were a series of frantic messages. Taylor reported that his compasses were malfunctioning and he couldn't determine their location. Despite attempts from the ground to guide them back, the voices of the pilots slowly faded into static till there was nothing but silence. In a desperate attempt to locate and rescue the missing squadron, a search mission was launched. A PBM Mariner flying boat, equipped with life rafts and survival gear, took off. But it too vanished without a trace. No wreckage, no distress signals, no survivors. Just like Flight 19, it disappeared into the abyss of the Bermuda Triangle, adding another layer of mystery to this enigmatic region. Flight 19 remains one of the most enduring mysteries of the Bermuda Triangle. The Bermuda Triangle continues to perplex us with more recent disappearances. Let's delve into the 21st century where the mystery deepens. In 2005, the Nereida, a small boat from Puerto Rico, set sail under clear skies. Despite modern navigation systems, it vanished without a trace. The search teams found no wreckage, no distress calls, nothing. It was as if the ocean had swallowed it whole. Fast forward to 2007, a British Yemeni passenger plane disappeared over the Atlantic. Equipped with the latest technology and experienced pilots, it seemed impossible for such a tragedy to occur. Yet, it did. The aircraft, along with its passengers, was nowhere to be found. No signals, no debris. Just like the Nereida, the plane seemed to have been absorbed by the ocean's depths. These modern mysteries further fuel the debate. Is there something supernatural at play, or can these incidents be explained scientifically? So, what could be causing these strange occurrences in the Bermuda Triangle? Let's dive into the pool of theories which range from the scientific to the outright fantastical. Some propose that the answer lies beneath the ocean's surface with massive methane gas bubbles. These bubbles rise from the seafloor, altering the density of the water, potentially sinking ships, and changing the air density, causing aircraft to crash. However, while methane gas bubbles are a proven phenomenon, there's no concrete evidence linking them to the anomalies in the Bermuda Triangle. Others suggest that rogue waves might be the culprits. These monstrous walls of water can reach heights of up to 100 feet, enough to overwhelm even the sturdiest ships. But again, while rogue waves are a real maritime danger, their connection to the Bermuda Triangle is purely conjectural. Then we have the more extraordinary theories. Some believe that the Bermuda Triangle is a hotspot for extraterrestrial activity. Alien abductions, they claim, are responsible for the unexplained disappearances. And if that's not wild enough, there are those who propose that the triangle is actually an interdimensional portal, a gateway to another realm. These theories, while undeniably fascinating, lack any form of substantial evidence. It's important to note that the Bermuda Triangle is not officially recognized by the United States Board on Geographic Names, nor acknowledged by the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration as an area of specific hazard. Many argue that the number of incidents in the region is not significantly greater than in other heavily traveled sections of the ocean. Whether it's a hotbed for supernatural activity, or simply a region with unpredictable weather and strong currents, the Bermuda Triangle continues to be a source of intrigue and speculation. One thing's for sure, the mystery of the Bermuda Triangle is far from solved.